This is my new Nolan N87 helmet. I just got it today, and I am going to take it completely apart. Going to take the visor off, going to take the inner sun shield off, going to take the cheek pads out, and I'm going to remove the headliner, just because I want to know how to do it. All right, well, we'll start by taking the visor off. I'll pull the visor up, take this little lever right here, pull it down, put the fingernails under it, and pull the shield off. Now we turn to the other side, same thing. I'll pull the lever down and pull the shield off. That's all there is to that. All right, so I'm going to pull the inner shield out. First I'm going to put it down, then I'm going to reach underneath the helmet here and grab the bottom of the shield like this. I'm going to pull it down towards the bottom, and then I'm going to pop this side out, pull it away. There it goes, you hear it pop. And then I'm going to pull the other side, pull it down, and pull the other side out. And then the shield comes right out. Now I'll show you how it's put in there. Notice these pretty nice little clips there on both sides there. And this is Nolan's VPS system, Vision Protection System. And you got these C-clamps right here. If you notice, it's got quite a bit of distance there. And those little slots go in these little slots right here. And back inside there, there's a pin that those C-clamps just roll over the top and snap in place. So you'll put your VPS shield down all the way, and you just pop those two C-clips right over the pins. Okay, now we're going to go after the left cheek pad right here. I'm going to take it out, and I'll have to feed this chin strap through the cheek pad as I pull it out. So here we go. I'm just going to grab her here, snap down, and then reach in here and pull the cheek pad out. We've got 3 snaps. 1, 2, 3. All right, now I'm going to go to the right cheek pad right here, exactly. I'm just going to snap it out also. And there it is. And I'm going to feed the chin strap through there, and there it is. We got 3 snaps there also. All right, we're going to go after the front part of the headliner. I'm going to reach inside the helmet from the inside and pull the headliner down right here. And what I'm going to do is just going to pull. This section's going to come loose. There it is. It's got 3 tabs right here. One in the center, and one on the very left end right there. And then I'm just going to pull it out the back like so. Okay, pull the back out. But actually, all you need to do is just pull this away that way towards the front of the helmet. Just pull it away, and she comes out. There's 2 tabs. 1 and 2. 2 tabs that go in the ends there. 1 and 2. I'll show you where those tabs are. Okay, now I'm going to show you where those tabs are in the back of the helmet. There they are. There's the tab I pulled. There's 2 tabs, and they just clip in there. And now I'll show you the front tabs. And here will be the front tabs. There's one in the center there, and there's one off to the left side right there. And of course, there will be one off to the right side right there. And they just snap into place. Very simple. Okay, now we're going to go after this breathing mesh right here. There's 3 tabs, one there, one in the center, and one over there. And we're just going to pull this thing straight down, and those 3 tabs will break loose. All right, we'll see how this works. I'm going to pull it straight down. There it is, tab. Pull it straight down, there it is. 3 tabs. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's your Nolan N87 tear apart. And let's go look inside the helmet here, okay? I'm going to turn it upside down on that little donut. And let's go on inside there and just look around. All right, we'll give it a little spin here. We got your steel chin strap buckle with a plastic release button right there. And a plastic insert there to hold it in place. We got ear pad pullouts in case you want to put some speakers in there, of course on both sides. The inner shell is made of polystyrene, and the outer shell is made of Lexan, which is top of the range of polycarbonates. You just got your hard shell in there, styrofoamish type of shell in there. Yeah, otherwise it's a nice helmet. I have a Nolan N87 visor helmet also, and the pads and the all come out about basically the same there. All right, so let's attempt to put it all back together, starting with the mesh breathing shield. Okay, again, the mesh breathing shield tabs are right there. 1, 2, and 3. I'm just going to snap them into place. Okay, done snap that mesh breathing shield in place. It went in no problem. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to put the headliner in there. I'm going to snap them into place. Remember the 2 snaps back there and the 3 up front there. Okay, so there's 2 snaps in the back of the headliner, in the back of your head, ready to snap in. And I'm just going to snap them in like that, and they snap. Woo! They snap in. Now I'm going to get prepared for the front. I'm going to stick it underneath there, and I got to get a different camera angle on this one for you. Okay, so now I'm just going to snap that clip into that slot, and same with the front one. I'm going to snap that clip into the slot, and snap this clip right here into that slot right there. Pretty simple. Okay, I did that. It was pretty easy. I didn't think you needed to see that part. Okay, now we'll go attempt to put the left cheek pad in. And by the way, this is my wife's helmet. She's got a small. And you can buy these different sizes. You can buy medium cheek pads if you need a bigger inside, or even a large cheek pad. They're about $50 each, I mean, for a set. Okay, we got the 3 snaps. Going to snap into spot. Got a little slot right there for the chin strap. I'll pull the chin strap up, put this in there, and then I'm going to proceed to snap it in place, and I don't think you need to see that part. Okay, got the 3 snaps snapped in place, and she's flush, and we're looking good. Now I'm going to go do the right-hand side. Okay, what I'm going to do is, again, I'll just pull the chin strap up, slide the pad in that slot, and then I'll proceed to put those snaps back in there. Okay, I got the right side in. It's all flush. Everything's looking good. Now I'm going to proceed to put the VPS shield in. Okay, we're going to put that VPS shield in. We've got to make sure that this thing is in the down position. It was in the up position when I was fooling around with it. And so it's got to be in the down position, and then we'll proceed to put the VPS shield in. All right, make sure the nose is down, and we'll put the tabs in both sides correctly. Slide that one in, slide that one in, and just snap it. Snap, snap the other one, snap. Make sure it's, there it is. VPS shield's in. It's pretty easy, and no one's got a pretty good thing here. Okay, let's tackle putting the visor on. We're going to snap it in those spots again, and then pull this down and let her snap back up in there. Okay, we're going to have her in up position. That tab, that tab, that tab, that tab. Put that guy, flip it up in there. Pull this guy down like this, so, and then just snap it in there like that, and let her up, and then she's in. Now we'll do the other side. Okay, top tab up and in, bottom tab in. There, that's it. And we slip her down. That's all there is to the whole tear apart of the Nolan N87. Okay, hold it. I forgot to show you about the Pinlock that goes inside the shield right there. Let me show you that. I'm going to take this apart, and we'll show you the Pinlock system. Okay, I took the shield off, put the helmet off the side, and what we got here is another inner shield that they give us called the Pinlock, and it goes on the inside of this helmet shield, something like this, and locks in place like that on those clevises right there. I'll see if I can give you a shot of that. Okay, so I got the Pinlock shield on, and it connects to this little titty sticking out right there, and we've got one on this side here, and it just is flush up against the inner shield. It's an anti-fog mechanism to keep your shield from fogging up, It has absorbing properties there, and it's got a little air layer between the two shields, so it's not supposed to fog up in cold weather. I have never used one. This is my first time ever using one, and well, we'll see how it works. Okay, Nolan N87. Okay, I'd just like to point out a few quick things. This helmet comes with a Pinlock fog-resistant inner visor with silicone seal profile. Comes with a VPS inner sunscreen that has UV 400 protection. Has a ventilation system with air boost technology. The air goes in there. You got a chin vent right there, and in the back it all exits out the back right there. Has a micro lock double retention system, buckles, and they slides into that buckle. Clima comfort inner paddings inside here. Washable right and left cheek pads, and it is eyewear adaptable. I'll see if I can show you what that looks like. Okay, eyewear adaptable means that in this red spot right here where if you wear glasses, your eyeglasses will run right on the red spot, and it's a lot softer material. Down here you got a hard material, but from this red spot on up to the top right there is a lot softer material, so your eyeglasses won't be pressing up against the side of your head, causing irritation over a certain period of time. This helmet weighs 3.76 pounds altogether, and it comes in at 102 decibels. So there you have it, the Nolan N87 with the Pinlock system. And I've got a Nolan N87 Plus coming, and I'll give you a rundown on that. It's a little bit different on the insides, but I'll give you a rundown on that also. All right, that's the end. I hope I learned something.